Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devi Permatasari from C class. Here, I want present my research proposal by title is Students' Perspective of Project-Based Learning in Speaking Class 3. Next. Background and significance. In this background, I have two topics. First is speaking skill, and the second is project-based learning. First is speaking skill. Speaking skill is the most difficult and challenging part of a language learning process, especially for EFL learners. So, we need to establish a framework in which students have enough freedom to take their own learning with the consciousness that it is their own will and effort that will make them efficient users of the target language. And the second is project-based learning. Project-based learning consists of some concepts that are selected to describe the form that educational system should take today. The first of these is the concept of learning. This concept is important for it draws attention not to the teachers but to the learners. The other is a concept meaning project development, thinking and planning, and it is a sign of relational learning on a specific goal rather than singular learning. The best indicates that the project is not a target but a process. Significance. Significance just focus on students. Why? Because from the title, students' perspective. So that is significance just focus on students. Next, research question. I have two research questions. And the first, what is the student's perspective of project-based learning in Speaking Class 3? And the second, what are the benefits for students in implementing the project-based learning? Next to the research objective, I have two research objectives to answer from research question. First, to describe students' perspective of project-based learning in Speaking Class 3, and the second, to find the benefit for students in implementing the project-based learning. The last topic is research method. First is research design, and the second is research setting, and the third is participants, and the fourth is data, and the last is data analysis. First, research design. In this research, that we use qualitative method. But specifically in this research, the method that is used for analyze the data is descriptive qualitative method. Arikunto states the descriptive qualitative method used to understand scientific fact with proper interpretation. In the second, research setting. The researcher will choose English department at UIN Antasari because the learn system use model project-based learning. The third is participants. The researchers choose 30 students English department at UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. The four data. Data collection technique that is used in the research are observation and interview. First is observation. The role of researcher in conducting the observation in this research is non-participant observer, where the researcher visits the site and records notes without being involved in the activities of participants. The second is interview. The interview that is used in the research is in-depth interview. The purpose of the interview is to find the problem openly, where the researcher could ask what are the interviewee opinions and talk on the object of the research. So, in the last is data analysis. In this research, the data analysis is done by doing reduction, display the data, drawing the conclusion, and verification. So, the data will be analyzed continuously in the research field with reduction, summarize, choose the main things, and focus on the main theme of problem. In display the data, organize and display the data logical systemically. Data verification, take the conclusion from the data which display periodically until become research findings. Okay, that is all my presentation. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. That is from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.